Hey guys, it's Kelsey, and we are going to go through the steps for making Cellulite coffee scrub. So I'm really excited. I think this is probably my favorite part of the class. But anyway, there are a few things about coffee. I don't know if you knew or not, but here you go. They are exfoliating and soothing to the skin, anti-inflammatory properties, and reduce eye puffiness, temporary reduction of cellulite, and improve circulation. So why coffee? Why coffee grounds, right? Except for those magical beans that get you going. Caffeine actually helps tighten the skin, which can reduce the cellulite. When applied under and around the eyes, it can minimize the appearance of puffy eyes because the caffeine restricts blood flow. So it reduces the blood vessels smaller so that it reduces swelling and inflammation. So it can also help treat non-hereditary dark circles under the eyes. So I have now, let me see if I can get you guys set up here. I have my jar, and I have my grapefruit oil. I got my cypress oil. I got a cup of ground coffee, and I need a half a cup of olive oil. So we'll get this all mixed in. So one cup of coffee grounds. We're gonna do half a cup of olive oil, which is about 8 tablespoons. There we go. Get that put in there. Okay, and here's my cup of coffee grounds. Get that put in there. And we'll need 5 drops of cypress. And I don't know if you knew, so on this oil, the middle hole is actually an air hole, a breather hole. And if you look on the inside of the ring, you can find the little hole where the oil actually comes out. So it'll make dropping your oil better. 3, 4, how many are we doing? 5. 5 drops of oil and 10 drops of grapefruit. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Let's get this stirred up. Grab a spoon. Get this all stirred up. Put it in my jar. And this would be an awesome gift, for your kiddos' teachers if you have kids in school, or it makes nice for like a birthday present. Just put a nice little piece of fabric on top, a bow, a little chalkboard label or something. And all right, guys, so kind of looks like dirt. Oops, sorry. I'll get you back up here. I'll get this put in my jar. Without making a big mess. Here we go. Almost there. Awesome. I cannot believe I did that without making a big mess. So I got my Cellulite coffee scrub done, and so now I get to use it a couple times a week. Just take it in the shower with you and rub it all over wherever you want to, and like thighs, belly, arms, and then rinse off. Grapefruit is great for your skin, and it's uplifting. It has an uplifting aroma. It's very popular in Young Living products. In the Cellulite Magic, Massage Oil, Highest Potential, and Citrus Fresh. So we'll get ready for bikini season and be smelling good in the shower.